morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our reception presentation assembly. So good morning all you reception children out there, mums, dads, aunties, uncles and grandparents. Please parents, if you get an opportunity, because this is on YouTube, share that link, share it far and wide with all aunties, uncles and grandparents so we can all really celebrate these amazing children for working so hard over this term, whether that be at home or for these last 3 weeks here at school. And these children have impressed teachers non-stop throughout this spring term, and it's been amazing. Let's have a look at these children now. Here we go. We've got Miss Arnold, look at this, turtle class, understanding the world. Look at this. We've got Naya, we've got Jack, we've got Evie, Ruben, Amelia and Beatrix. Look at you absolute superstars, understanding the world. Not only understanding the world, but really asking questions all the time, being inquisitive, finding things out, but actually knowing lots of things as well. These guys know it. If you want to know anything about the world, ask these guys some questions, because I tell you, they absolutely know. They are amazing for reception children. Let's give them a little round of applause. Superstars. Well done, you six, and enjoy taking your certificates home. I know mums and dads will be really proud of you when you get home tonight, so well done. Moving on. Look at these sharks. Look at these, understand. Look how bright these ones look as well. Look, we've got Luz, we've got Jensen, we've got Charlie, we've got Chadley Blue, Ava, Rudy, Lily, Caitlin and Keely. Look at these guys. Big smiles, absolutely amazing big smiles. And again, these guys absolutely know that. Really inquisitive, asking questions all the time, and really understanding and knowing quite a lot for reception children. It's amazing. Again, getting in conversations with them, they're absolutely superb. Let's give them a little round of applause. These superstars. Really well done, guys. So proud of them. Enjoy taking those certificates home today. Moving on, we've got, look at this, phonics, turtle class, Miss Arnold. These children have been doing their phonics. They've been doing it every single day. Again, whether that be at home or at school, they have been amazing keeping up with their phonics. They are brilliant. Matilda, Esme, Nia Jade, Betsy, Angel, Zara, Willow, Dorian, Emily and Lincoln. You absolute superstars. Keep doing that, because I tell you one thing, you keep doing your phonics, keep learning your sounds, all of that element, you start blending, and then they'll start reading and enjoying their reading as well. And you'll know that at home, all you mums and dads who've been listening to your children and helping them with their sounds. So please do keep it up. Let's give them a round of applause. Well done, guys. Absolute superstars. Smashing. Enjoy those certificates when you get them home tonight. Sharks. Look at these shark phonic stars. Again, exactly the same part of that. You've got Willow, you've got Ollie, you've got Harley, Elizabeth, Jamie, Georgia, Yasmin, Oakley, Mason and Emily. You absolute sharks. So look at those big smiles as well. You well done, guys. And I know at home, most of you have been doing all of those sounds all the time. It's fantastic. And some of you here at school, and especially over these 3 weeks, it's lovely to see how much you have been doing at home. So really well done. Let's give them a little round of applause. Well done, guys. You superstars. Moving on. Oh, look at this. Look at these mathematicians. You can just see them. Look at them. Hey, doing all that adding up, counting. Look, recognizing those numbers. You've got Kylo, Salus. We've got Lily, Alfie, Noah, Lola, Armin, Jack and Jessica. Look at these guys, okay? Absolutely working so hard at number recognition, writing their numbers, doing number bonds to 10 and up to 20. They're absolutely superb, all right? Super sharp. Let's give these turtles a big round of applause. Let's see, moving on to the next one, let's see. Shark mathematicians, look at these, don't they look amazing? How clever do they look? Brilliant. So we've got Marcy, we've got Alinka, we've got Toby, we've got Esme, we've got Sarah, we've got Domas, and we've got Braylon. Look at you guys, hey? And I know you've been working so hard on your numbers, and you know so many of those numbers as well, and adding them up, and all of it taken away. It's been amazing. So really well done, guys. I'm so impressed with you sharks, you mathematicians. Well done. Let's give them a round of applause. And we're on to, look at these, reading, putting all that phonics together. These guys, not only are they going to get certificates, but they're taking home a book as well. And it'd be really lovely on Tapestry to see these children reading their books with their certificates on Tapestry. So please, let's get some pickies up of these children as well. So we've got Bailey, we've got Oliver, we've got Charlotte, and we've got Scarlett. Absolutely superstar. Even Scarlett with her golden ticket there. Look at her. Superstar. But well done, guys. And that's reading every single day. And you can see they're just getting better and better. So really well done, and enjoy your books as well. Let's have a look. Sharp. Look at these sharp readers. Look at these guys. Look. We've got Liam. We've got Jackson. We've got Tia. And we've got Lucas. Again, reading every single day. These guys will get a book as well as their certificates. Give them a little round of applause. Well done, guys. Super reading. Mr. Allen's very proud of you. Keep it up. Well done. There it is. Well done to everyone. Give them all a big, massive round of applause. Well done, everyone in reception. It is amazing. You are all amazing. And the final bit is enjoy the Easter holidays. Yes, we break up today at 3:15. We've got 2 weeks off to really enjoy ourselves over the Easter holiday. Keep doing reading, keep doing bits of writing, finding out all about the world, and hopefully open up all the children ready for the summer term. So until that, everyone, have a lovely Easter holiday. Bye-bye now.